First, New Mexicans who have served prison time for felonies are suing the Secretary of State for being denied their right to vote. Faith Ibanu spoke with those behind the suit on why they claim it's a violation of their constitutional rights.
New Mexicans released from prison now eligible to vote are facing hurdles. Many of them denied of voting registrations as Election Day nears.
And that's happening after people have already taken the initial step of doing their registration and receiving a denial letter.
This 42-page lawsuit filed by Millions for Prisoners New Mexico, a grassroots organization, raises concerns.
I had a standoff in the Bernalillo County Clerk's office with somebody who should have been eligible to vote and had been denied 4 times. So even under the old law, people were being disenfranchised. Something is critically wrong with the system and the way that it's functioning.
Voting rights restored to thousands of New Mexicans released from prison back in 2023 after serving time for felonies.
It's completely inconsistent and their system is unreliable.
Celinda Guerrero with the organization telling us it is a violation of their constitutional rights, an issue they say they have addressed for years.
There's still forms out here that the clerks are giving out to voter registration agents that say you can't vote if you've been convicted of a felony.
The lawsuit alleges Secretary of State Maggie Toulouse Oliver, the state's correction department, and the Bernalillo County Clerk's office are responsible for voter registration and data sharing to ensure voters with past felony convictions have access.
The law used to be you had to get off probation or parole to become eligible to vote.
KOAT legal expert John Day telling us their goal is for all 3 departments to be in compliance with the new law.
So they're asking a court to make a quick ruling, and they're hoping that they're going to be allowed to vote in the upcoming election.
Faith Ibanu, KOAT, Action 7 News.
The Secretary of State's office writing us, if a person is no longer incarcerated and appears in person at a county clerk's office, polling location, certain state agencies, or the motor vehicle division, that person is now legally presumed to meet the requirement of not being incarcerated and can register to vote.